Hi, welcome back to Cheat Day. Today we're gonna eat foods that don't expire, aka foods you eat during the apocalypse.
Supposedly they don't expire. I have a feeling we're gonna die, but anything for you guys.
That was awkward.
Let's start. So before we begin, we have to preface that the inspiration for this episode comes from a lunchy break we just filmed where we went to an estate sale with Jill's mom.
What is that?
We need to eat that on
It's
cheat
a
day.
survival biscuit.
We need to eat that on cheat day.
Yes, I'm on vacation that day. I'm out sick.
So if you couldn't tell from that, we bought a thing of survival biscuits from 1962. What are survival biscuits, might you ask? We don't really know.
But I do love biscuits. I love surviving.
Exactly, but then it got us thinking like, oh, these would be great for the apocalypse. We should test out other things we might have to eat when zombies attack us. So it's just water, right?
It's not like urine filtered through a Brita
Is there like
filter
weird
and
like chemicals in
repackaged?
it? Oh, well, it's telling you that, so this is if the apocalypse takes place, or some emergency, that you drink no water for the first 24 hours unless you're sick or injured,
Ooh, that's
or
a
in
fun
desert
fact.
conditions. So you gotta wait until you absolutely need it. This is
2 a
getting
day.
really real. This is like ration out your water so you don't die.
Do you just tear it?
Well, there's a tear button.
Oh, it tells
not
you that.
button. It's
It
like a
tells
little
you that.
tab, but it's just not really. I don't think I would
Just
do
get
well
in
the
there.
apocalypse.
You know what I mean?
I don't feel like
It's the
my
end of
teeth
the
are
world.
strong
Who
enough
cares
for
about your
that,
teeth?
you
You know, if they fall out, there's nobody going to be alive to see
But it's
them.
not actually the end of the world, and my will fall out. Oh, yours are so strong.
You want me around in the end of times.
I don't drink a lot of water, so this is gonna be new anyway.
It smells like plastic. Uh-huh, that tastes like plastic, right?
Yeah, it's not the best water I've ever had.
It tastes like pool water, kind of, right? When you get pool water
It
stuck in your-
absolutely, that is 100%.
Yeah, pool water.
Then again, if it's an emergency, I don't think anyone cares as long as it's water.
I mean, it could taste a lot worse. What we should have gotten are those pills, those water pills. So you can take like pond water and turn it into clean water.
Or can't you even put it in your pee and drink that? I don't want to, but.
I don't want to do that on this show for sure.
Or any show.
I hate jerky.
I don't love it either, so it's not gonna be enjoyable.
A stick made with, you have to call it a stick.
Well, but also, there's no expiration, but there is a best by date.
Okay, well this
Or
Best
might-
Buy, it expires this year.
How is jerky made?
I don't ask questions, look at it. Do you really want to know how this is made?
No, it doesn't.
It smells, this looks like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy.
It totally does.
It looks
I haven't
like Baby
seen that,
Groot.
but like I've seen the commercials.
Groot. Oh. It's the end of the world.
Do people just eat this?
Yeah, they do, and they like it. They like it a lot. They'll get a soda and one of these things and just
See, the
gnaw
thing is,
on it.
I'm okay with the inside. It's that it's this weird kind of hard casing.
What is that made of? Do we want to know?
Probably intestine.
Why would you say that out loud?
Look at, you could see it. It's like translucent.
You guys, I can't.
Okay, well these are
Nothing.
great. Good thing we're not that hungry.
Listen, good thing the world's not ending
We're
yet.
conservatives.
That's right. We want to save it for the real apocalypse. You can break your teeth with these.
Could use them as weapons as well.
Yeah.
Zombies fighting well.
So which would you rather prefer? The orange, the raspberry, the blueberry?
I think I'm gonna go with tropical fruits.
I'm gonna go for orange.
They're-
Orange is like your safest
They seem
bet.
vacuum sealed, so that makes sense.
They're also very difficult to open.
You know what I bet you they have in my earthquake survival kit?
Scissors?
Yep.
Oh, look at that!
Oh wow!
Wow!
They disappeared. Have
They're
they been
so
there this whole time?
prepared. Oh! It kind of smells good. It smells like orange cake.
It kind of looks like something you'd put in like a lizard cage. They'd like nibble on, you know?
Like your parakeet.
Well,
eats
yeah,
that.
yeah. It's maybe like
Hamster wheel.
it's like a salt block. It tastes like crumbs with
Yeah.
perfume mixed in.
Mine's pretty good. Mine's pretty good. Taste that.
Which orange?
Mm-hmm. Here.
I mean, don't get me wrong. If I was starving, this would be.
It's not bad. It's like graham crackers. If you wadded graham crackers up and you wet them a little bit so they kind of break down and then you put it in a big ball, it'd be hard but crumbly.
It's so chalky.
I like it.
It tastes like
It tastes like lemon cookies.
No.
It's
What
got
are you
lemon cookies.
eating? Are we eating?
Yeah.
No, what has happened here is that they put vitamins in it. So this definitely tastes like they crushed up a multivitamin
Yeah.
and used that and like flour.
Yeah. That is exactly what it tastes like.
And
but
you
also
like it?
a graham cracker mushed up with a little bit of milk.
It's like when
and
you
put in the pot.
accidentally chew a pill you weren't supposed to.
I love chewable pills. Like vitamin C chewable pills. Do you not like those? I love those. Well, you kind of nibble on it, you know?
Well, I guess it's supposed to keep you alive, but like, how about we take the vitamins separately? Why do we have to taint the taste of this
because
gourmet
it
bar?
Space. You can put your vitamins in
That
your
much
food.
space though.
And
Like,
have you seen bottles of vitamins are in there? Huge. I like this.
Hey.
Jerky, no. This, yes.
ask me again when I'm in the apocalypse.
Why is everything block shaped?
And so heavy.
SOS emergency food ration.
More food bars.
Lily, I kind of hope the world ends when we're together so we can reminisce on these
Be
times.
like, the world's on fire, and we're like, remember that time? We had those bars.
Yeah, that was so fun.
Did you
Remember
save
when life
that
was
jerky?
good? Yeah, no. These look exactly like these bars. Like, exactly like them. See?
They're twins.
Life is gonna get really boring.
They're even the exact same size. I don't think we need to eat this one.
These are also kind of greasy, or is that just my skin?
What are these flavors?
Oh, these
Maybe
smell
are a
good
little-
too.
These smell a little better than the
These
other
smell great. These smell like little cookies. Oh my gosh, I really like these.
ones. They're all individually wrapped so you can share with all of your friends during the apocalypse.
Oh yeah, this is really good.
You trying?
Okay. The flavor is, take graham crackers and you crumble them up and you put them in a ball.
With a lot of vitamins. I think it's time for the finale.
Now this is
Wait,
going
is that
to
just
be a
gonna be
treat.
more of these? After all of that, are these the survival biscuits? We were so excited. I bet you that's it. I'm sorry this episode isn't very indulgent. This is what caught our eye at the estate sale we went to.
And this is from the 1960s.
This supposedly is from the Cold War era, and it's what families would buy and put in their bunkers in case there was a nuclear blast. Why are we not concerned about that anymore?
We should be. Does
Guys.
anybody know what's happening in our world? We need a lot of these.
I think so too. Maybe we shouldn't eat this now.
We should save it.
We should totally save it for that, not because I don't want to eat it. That's not what I was gonna do. Stop.
What do you mean? I think you can open it.
Indestructible. You need a can opener. 100%.
So you have to have can opener and also this available to you if the world ends. So I hope you're stocked. Does it smell bad?
I'm getting a scent.
Like, what would you describe it as?
Old.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
They're a little opened.
Oh my god, they smell so bad! Smell them. They smell so bad.
There's a bunch of chemicals to preserve freshness. It doesn't say
What kind?
whether it expires or not.
Oh my gosh,
Do
you
we
guys,
want to
it
Google that
smells
before we
so
eat it and
bad.
throw up, or are we just not going to eat it?
I
Eat it.
Do you want to come smell these?
Why did you have this idea?
This was not my idea.
I specifically remember in the video someone
I'm
saying,
looking all
"Oh, the
these-
great for
I
cheat
just don't
day."
want-
We need to eat that on cheat
a
day.
survival biscuit.
We need to eat that on cheat day.
Don't you get like old paint vibes?
It doesn't smell like old paint. It just smells like paint.
If we die on the apocalyptic episodes, at least we're dying.
We're not even going to make it to the apocalypse because we're going to die eating all this food.
Cheers! I love you.
How big
It's
was I
been
doing
fun.
drinking?
It's been a fun ride. Surprised that I actually think it's okay.
What makes me very uncomfortable. Oh my god, I'm so. This is crazy. It kind of tastes like it has like a hint of cheese.
Yeah, like those little cracker packets your grandma used
I don't
to
think
eat.
it's supposed to have a hint of
You know,
cheese.
yeah, the little orange cheese crackers.
Cheese is not something that doesn't expire.
My grandma used to call them nabs. Little nabs. Get a pack of nabs before you go.
Out of everything we ate, this is actually the least offensive for my palate. Jill. Jill, you were there when we bought this.
Come on.
Be a team player.
What if it was the end of the world?
It smells great, doesn't it?
The smell is pretty bad.
It tastes so much better than the smell.
It's like it's cardboard.
Do you get cheese vibes?
There's cheese. It's like a sweet cheese.
A sweet cheese.
It
is a sweet cheese.
It's a
Yeah.
sweet
It's like
cheese.
a ricotta.
Yeah, exactly.
If anyone's tuning in for the first time, we understand this probably isn't the most ideal cheat day.
I love this.
This is what you would want
I
for
want to go
cheating on
find
your
weird
diet.
food in old dead people's houses and try it on the show.
I think I'm okay if this is our last episode like this.
No, I love this, exploring new worlds.
It's fun to try something new, but not everything new works.
I thought it worked.
Don't break it. Don't fix it if it's not broken. Don't break it if you can't fix it.
But even more than that, I feel like I learned a lot today. I learned a lot about army knives or can openers and critter bars and all kinds of stuff.
I learned that I'm probably gonna die during the apocalypse because I don't want to eat any of this.
I kind of agree. Let us know if we should raid other people's houses. And is there something else we should try like this? There might be more.
Preferably not old food, something more creative. But anyway,
Thank you so much for watching us torture ourselves.
P.S. If you need to stock up for your survival kit, we have a lot of extra biscuits.
Come
we
hang
can
out
give.
with us and you'll never die.
Maybe.
Eventually, but not for a long time.
It could be sooner than expected, actually.
Cool.
Bye.
Bye. Click left to watch us try out the electric shock workout, or click right to watch us try foods from Riverdale.